Next topic I am discussing about SQL DDL commands. In this section we will discuss what is SQL DDL commands and syntax of DDL commands and examples of DDL commands. What is SQL commands? Any idea about what is SQL commands? SQL command is a instructions that actually we are using these instructions for performing various tasks with the database, like creating a table, dropping a table, altering or modifying the table, set permissions for users. These are the operations we are performing with the database. Here there are 5 types of SQL commands. One is DDL, next one is DML, third one is DCL, and fourth one is TCL, and last and final one is DQL. These are the 5 types of SQL commands. First we can discuss what is DDL. DDL commands in SQL. DDL commands is the data definition or data description language. This is the syntax or command that is used for creating or modifying the database objects. This DDL commands actually changes the structure of the table, like creating, modifying, altering. So this is changing the structure of the table. That is the use of DDL commands. There are a few DDL commands are there, that is create, alter, drop and truncate. These are the DDL commands. First we can see what is create. Why create is using. Create command is used for create a new table in the database. For creating the new tables in the database, we are using this create command. This is the syntax for the syntax of the create. Create table, table name, columns and column name and a data type. This is the syntax of the create. We can execute this example. This is the example: create table TBL employee, ID in the name varchar of 10, email varchar of 50. This is the example. I am executing this one in SQL. See, table is created. TBL employee. Refresh this and check table is created or not. See, here that table is created. Next one is drop. Drop is used to delete both the structure and record stored in the table. This drop command is actually we are using this one is that data that table containing, if that table is containing few data, that also will delete, and that structure of the table, that entire table will delete data as well as the table structure. For that purpose only we are using drop command. And this is the syntax of the drop. Drop table, table name. This is the example. We can drop the created table using this one. I am executing this one. Yes. Refresh this database and check if that table is there or not. Table is. See, now that table is not there, that table is delete. It is the use of drop. Next one is alter. Why alter is used? Alter command is used to modify the structure of already existed table. This is the syntax of alter. Alter table, table name, add column name, data type. This is for adding the new column, and this syntax is for modifying the existing column name or data type. We can execute the examples. First I am executing this add, alter table, table name, add column name, data type. I am adding new column. Here this is the table I have. This is my table name. Here I don't have the column email, so I want to add this email column here. Here only SID, name, age, mark. These are the 4 columns I have. I want to add this email. See, now this table is added. No, this column is added successfully. We can check this one. See, now email column is added. Now next one is truncate. Why we are using truncate? Truncate is used to delete all rows from the table for freeing the space containing that table. That is the use of truncate commands in SQL. This is the syntax: truncate table, table name, truncate table. DDL student is the example I am executing. I have to execute this one. Truncate table DDL. So my table name is just student only. See, now that table is existed, but there is no values are there. Everything, all the values are deleted, but table is existed. That's it. That structure is there, but data is only that data is deleted. That's it about SQL DDL commands.